Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me using Project Pan items. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to stay on notifications. That way you don't miss out on another video. So I'm just going to keep it light and simple and sweet today, kind of, sort of. I'm going to use the foundation. Actually, let me start off with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. If you guys don't already know, I love this primer so much. It's been working for my skin, and I think it's finally working with this foundation. Well, my Project Pan foundation. If you're into project panning, I'll link my playlist down below. But I kind of want to do a little like chattiness, so hopefully this get ready with me isn't too long. I just want to talk a little bit about why I haven't been consistent on my channel, and I don't know, I'm just kind of running out of ideas and feeling uninspired. I'm not going to use any concealer because this foundation is super full coverage. And my face is clean, so I'm just going to put this straight on. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation in the shade 5.0. I just feel like I'm running out of ideas. I don't know what to film for you guys. I have like a writer's block, but for videos, I don't even know what to call that. I just don't have any inspiration. I've been so tired lately. I've been not sleeping, then I've been oversleeping, so I don't know. It's like I can't get anywhere with my sleep schedule. And so I was watching Graveyard Girl's video. It's called, I think it's called We Need to Talk. And I just related to it so much that I'm not a crier, but like, I didn't cry, but like tears came to my eyes, and I was just like, oh my gosh, because I'm not alone in how I feel. I mean, I've watched her for a while, so I know that she has like depression or anxiety or whatever she has, but I don't know, just to like hear her talk about it sometimes just like makes me feel a little better because I'm not by myself. I've tried working out and stuff, and I think that's another reason, is just I get so unmotivated after 3 weeks, and I don't know how to stick to working out. I can eat right, but I cannot stick to working out after 3 weeks, and it's frustrating because it happens all the time. So I don't know what to do. I need like an accountability partner or someone to like help me, pull me out of my moments where I don't feel like doing anything. Like literally, like grab me literally and like make me go do something and work out. And I've tried making friends here where I live, but it's hard. Like no one wants to hang out. A lot of the moms sometimes are like really busy because they have other kids, you know, or they're like working, which is understandable. But then there's moms who are like, I guess, I mean, I don't want to say, I'm starting to consider myself like a hermit, if you will, but I feel like some moms are starting to get that way. And it's sad because I want to hang out, but they just want to be at home. Or they want to be by themselves or something, you know? I don't know. But anyways, yeah, back to Graveyard Girl's video. It was just so emotional, and I loved it because she was just like so raw. And I'm sure a lot of people like appreciated her for being so transparent. And I love that about videos. And like people are so relatable. It was just a beautiful video of how she like opened up and was just so, you know, transparent. Back to that, like how I've been feeling lately. Haven't been able to sit down and edit. I've actually filmed several videos, and where I haven't been feeling myself, when I go back and watch the footage to try to edit it, I can't like put that content out. I just end up trashing all the footage because I just can't. I don't want to put that kind of content out. I'm just going to try to refilm it once I feel a little better, because I went to go visit my family this weekend, and today is July 31st, so hopefully this is going to come up. This video is going to go up this week. And it was pretty fun. I went out and had a girls' night to some country concerts, which I haven't been to a country concert in like forever, or it seems like forever. I'm not really going anywhere today, I don't think. I need to go to Target, but I don't know. That could probably wait till tomorrow. I might be feeling better tomorrow. I don't know. I'm just feeling lazy today. But no, family time was really good. Savannah got to hang out with all her little cousins and stuff, so it was so cute. For blush, I'm going to use the Balm Springs, of course. This is for my Project Pan. It's called In Full Swing. And like another thing too that gets me down is that I can't buy all the makeup in the world to review it and stuff like that like everyone else can. Or, I mean, those who get it in PR, like that's awesome, but I can't always go out and run and buy every palette. I don't have that kind of money. I just don't want my collection to get out of hand. So that's another thing that I'm trying to figure out, like, what direction do I want to take my channel? Because I can't be doing reviews and stuff. I mean, I can only do reviews whenever I have empties, but I feel like I should start changing the direction of my channel and doing like project pans and like empties, like reviews that way, like stuff that I already have, because I don't want to accumulate more. I already have a small space and I don't have the room to have more makeup, and I don't want to get stuck with makeup I can't get rid of, you know, because I already have friends who are trying to sell their makeup and no one's buying it. So I don't want to be in that boat. We'll go ahead and highlight the face, I guess, while we're here. I know this is so backwards. I'm not really going anywhere. I don't think so. It's okay. The e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush Duo in Rose Gold. I don't know what kind of content you guys want to see from me. This is the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner. This one is so good. I definitely recommend it. It is high-end, but it's totally worth it. For the eyes, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, the new one. And I've been taking the deeper transition shade and just grabbing a fluffy blending brush like this one from ColourPop. Just taking some of that and just like running it in the crease. So if you've gotten this far, just like let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Like get ready with me's, project panning, unboxings. I do unboxings a little bit and hauls. I haven't been hauling a lot lately just because, like I said, I haven't been buying anything. I did spend some Ulta points. That's another video. I spent 2,000 points at Ulta. And I did a video and I didn't like the footage, so I just deleted it. I'm going to try to film it again and show you guys what I got. And plus I've been testing out the products, so I can actually give you guys like a little mini review, which I feel like that's probably what I should do. Like if I buy something somewhere, I'm going to use it and then I'll haul it and give you guys like a mini review. Savannah starts school in August, or really September. I'm kind of worried because I'm trying to potty train her and she's just not getting the hang of it. So I think that's another thing that's kind of stressing me out. It's because I've tried. She's like terrified of the potty. And I don't know what to do. I really don't know. I'm just going to fill them in a little bit. I do have bald spots and I was messing with them yesterday, late last night. I was watching Orange is the New Black. And I stayed up really late, you guys. It was like almost 4 in the morning. But I'm on episode 8. And I'm like, whoa, I need to stop. I need to slow down. I'm so ready for Wentworth. I'm also watching Yellowstone. Only because I like one of the main characters. The main ranch owner. Oh my god, I can't remember his name. I love him in Dances with Wolves and Hidden Figures. That's as good as brows are gonna get right now. I'm gonna wear some lashes today. The lashes I'm gonna use, and I used them during the weekend too, but they are from Kittens and Roosters. These are in the style, I think it's Stunner. I'll leave them linked down below. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that, but I did buy them on sale. She did have a sale, and she's one of my dear friends on Instagram, and I'm subscribed to her channel on YouTube, and she's like a social media coach or something like that. I'll leave her channel link down below, so if you have a channel or if you have Instagram or something, she gives awesome tips and she offers like her services to help you grow your channel or grow your social medias organically, and how to make money through like different venues and stuff like that. She's really super helpful, but she launched a little, you know, side brand called Kittens and Roosters. Such a cute name. But yeah, I bought some of her lashes and she sent me a free pair of lashes. And they're these ones right here, which I've been wearing. So that's what they look like. Aren't they so pretty? I'm going to put these on real quick, so I will be right back. And I'm probably a lash ruiner for doing this, but I've always been doing this for the longest time. But yes, I do put on mascara to blend my falsies with my natural lash. Y'all are probably like cringing right now, but I've always done it this way. And I do take care of my lashes. This is another one from my project pan. This is the Bare Minerals Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara. My recent makeup tutorial. Anyways, it doesn't do anything volumizing, but you know, gotta use it up. We're at the home stretch, you guys. Okay, I do like to mix these together. Project pan items, obviously they're minis. This is the Urban Decay Vice Waterproof Long-Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Amulet. And this one is the Tristique Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Belize Bordeaux. I think I'm gonna outline with this one and then fill in with this one. There's not a fan in this room. I'm starting to think that the humidity, I'm thinking that it's killing my liquid lipsticks. Like it's just drying them out and it sucks. We're gonna try to work on getting one of those. I think they're from Dyson and they're the ones that have like the cutout in the middle and just blows air. You can either do like hot or cold setting. So I think we're gonna wait for like Black Friday and I think we're gonna get one of those for this office. And then I'm gonna put this in the middle. I put the Urban Decay one on the, it's like the outline because it's waterproof so it'll stay longer. And the Tristique one, it does fade, but it fades like really nice, kind of like an ombre. So from the inside out, so it doesn't look too bad. Again, I will link my Project Pan playlist down below. Let me know what you guys want to see from me since I've already told you guys basically what I can provide to you. Also the lashes, these are the lashes on. Really pretty, feel nice and lightweight. I love them. I'll leave all that information for I'll leave the Instagram and my friend's YouTube channel down below. I'm still going to list everything that I used for this video down below, so be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.